right. So hi guys. Guess what? Woo. I don't get one of those cool spinny intros, but we have an unboxing and a product review for you today. And hopefully my recording software isn't freaking rude. So, I was sent the GaomonS620 battery-free graphic tablet for review. So yes, this was sent to me. I did not pay for it. But I let Gaomon know, because I have worked with Gaomon in the past. I'll have my other Gaomon reviews in the iCard above. That all of my reviews are still 100% my opinion. I don't just give positive reviews. I like being very honest. Now, this is how I got it right out of the Amazon box. You can pre-order it from Amazon or their website. I will have links to their stuff in the description below. And the box is a little scuffed up. I don't know with the lighting if it'll pick up. But there's a couple of scratches right here and a couple dings. But I don't blame Gaomon for this. I do blame my Amazon people. Me and my complex have complained for forever. And there have been times where I'll have my door open and I will be right here, which is, I'm right by my front door. And I have heard them just slam packages onto my porch. Not knock, nothing. Just slam them and leave. So I know for a fact this wasn't Gaomon's fault. So, let's get this boy open. Oh, I must have already cut that tape. Okay, I already cut it. So, on the back, it's dirty, but they pretty much show right here, this is a battery-free pen. That's always nice. 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's got about a 10 millimeter reading height. Let's see, 5,080 LPI resolution. I don't actually know what that means, but I'm sure it's good. 266 PPS report rate, a 6.5 by 4 inch active area, so it is a smaller tablet. Obviously, you can tell from my hands. And it says that the package contains the graphic tablet, battery-free pen, AP32, I don't know what that is, nib and clip, USB cable, and quick start guide. And then they have all their little social medias right here. They have their website, Facebook, Twitter, blah, 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 blah. Again, I'm going to have their links in the description because I know it's going to be way too tiny to pop up. But they also show, here's a laptop, here's inside the tablet. So, let's open this baby. If I can get it open. Alrighty! Okay, so here we go. So, very nice packaging, just like the last Gaomon tablet that I did. Gonna put the box lid down there. And they always have a little thank you card. It's, dear customer, thank you for choosing Gaomon product. We wish to bring you a pleasant travel of creating. If you meet any problems with the product, please feel free to contact us, and we will try our best to solve it. Please email us at Gaomon Services. Yeah, that is another thing. With me working with Gaomon in the past, they are very fast to respond to emails. They do work on business days, though, so don't try on the weekends. And, yeah, that's how I was able to correspond with everybody, was they are very fast and very nice getting back to people. I really, really like their customer service. Okay, and then, so this doesn't come with the download disc again. Little nitpick, I like having physical download discs. I don't like having to download it from the computer. But, hey, they have it, and they have it in multiple languages, so that way, you can download it. And again, that'll be on their website, so don't worry about it. Alrighty, so let's look at this. Let's look at this pretty boy. So, okay, open it here. I have to make sure we're in view. Also, hopefully my audio's coming in okay. My mic's a little farther away than where it normally is. One, I like that it's in a recycled plastic bag. Just a little nitpick, but I like that. Alright, so this is the tablet. It is very small. It has 4 hotkeys, which is nice. Usually tablets this small don't have any hotkeys. But it's very smooth. Now, there's going to be a reason for why it's cut off like this, but I'm going to get into that in a minute, hopefully. Yeah, it's all in view. Alright, so this is how big it is. Again, very small tablet, but for the price, this is really, really fair. And, let's see. Okay, so there's the little hub. That's nice again. One thing I do miss about pad tablets is just a one plug-and-go thing. When you have screen tablets, you need to have, multiple outlets. Okay, so then here we go. Here's some nibs and a nib changer. That's nice. And, oh, okay. They gave me a glove. So I will take off my my blood pressure glove. It's a compression glove, and I've been using it. I don't usually use it for drawing. I just use it for around the house because I have bad wrists. But, oh, that's nice. Okay, so they gave you a glove. That's a nice glove. I personally like the gloves that have the thumb hole in it. Very few do, but that's nice. That is very nice. I like that they gave you a glove. Smudge guards are really good because you might not realize it, because I didn't for the longest time. But on almost any tablet screen, you will have a slight lag with just skin on screen. So with one of these, you're not going to have it. You're also going to avoid, if you use your tablet a lot, you're going to avoid having one of those like little wear-in spots as fast if you use a tablet glove. So just a little nitpick that isn't from them, that's just any tablet in general. Oh, that's going to be for later because that's the special thing. So then, yeah, let's see, battery-free graphic tablet guide. Okay. They give you a nice little manual. That's nice. Oh, here's another nice thing. They show you how to replace the pen nib. There have been a few where they don't show you how to replace the pen nib. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but it's still nice. Okay, telling you how to download stuff. It's in different languages. That's nice. I always like when tablet companies have them in multiple languages. Usually when I've gotten tablets in the past, it's either in English, French, or Spanish. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just I do wish there were, you know, other options. So this is this is obviously the plugin. So okay, that's nice. So it uses an old micro USB plugin, if you can see that. So all you have to do is plug it into the tablet. Let's see how nice it plugs in. Yeah, super nice, and the glove is stuck on the Velcro. But yeah, so then you just plug this into any USB port. I think this is a 2.0, but it could be a 3.0. My laptop takes both, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so that's nice. But the big test with this baby, okay, I'll just leave it plugged in then, is that, okay, so here's the pen. That's not the surprise, but I was looking at it. So this is nice. When they mean it's a batteryless pen, it's a charge-free pen. I like these so much better. I currently use a Huion for most of my works, and I do have to charge the pen. But I started off with Wacom, so now that other tablet companies are making chargeless pens and batteryless pens, that's great. Can't wait to try this out. This pen feels nice. It's got two little hotkeys. Still no eraser. Still no eraser, but that's fine. I like erasers, but the special thing of why this tablet is so special and why when they reached out to me, I was so excited to work with it is because, I see this little doohickey right here? See this? It comes with another one too, but what you do is you put this on top of the USB hub, and now you can draw on your tablet or smart devices. Doesn't work with iPhone, so we won't be using my phone to test this product. We're going to be using my husband's when he gets home from work, because he doesn't have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. But they have that, where they have the new, it's like the oval shape. It's also used for switches. Don't plug it into your Switch. It's not compatible with Switch, but it's that kind of charging thing. And then it comes with the normal one. So with these, and with this little connection guide, it says how to plug into an Android phone or tablet. And it shows you how that you can have your radius for this for your tablet. So that's why I'm really excited to work with this. So at the time of recording this audio right here, I haven't tested it out yet. This is just the unboxing portion of the video. But once I test it out, I'm 100% honest, and I really, really want this product to be good, because I think this is fucking amazing. And I'm so happy tablet companies are actually doing this now. This is 100% me being an art nerd. Because there are so many people who can't afford an iPad, or they already have like an Android tablet, because a lot of phone companies will like do bundles or get it as gifts. And so now, if you don't have a laptop, because there are a lot of people now who don't have computers anymore. They just have a smartphone or a tablet, or a smartphone and a tablet. And maybe their tablet doesn't have a really good drawing pen. Now with this, you can learn how to draw with art programs, and you don't need a computer. And I think that's fucking amazing. Crap, I hope GaomonS knows that I curse in my videos. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I know I'm going to need this one for when my husband gets home, and I'm going to read through the phone tablet list, talk about how easy it is. I am also going to throw a little speed paint at the end, talking about the normal tablet and its features, because it's also compatible with computers. But, again, the big reason why I wanted to work with this is because I want to draw on a fucking phone. So let's do this. Alright guys, so we are now into editing Michi / the drawing portion of the video and the product. So, holy crap, it works! This is my genuine reaction, by the way. I'm not phoning it in or anything. I am amazed with how well this tablet works. Mostly for the phone situation, the phone and tablet situation. That's what I'm most excited for. I'm also going to have a speed paint quickie portion on my computer with a drawing program, but I'm still using the tablet. Let me get into that real quick. Obviously, I normally use a Huion for my work, and I'm still going to use a Huion, only because it is a screen tablet. But I had to uninstall all my drivers, keep it unplugged, to install the drivers for the GaOMON, and everything was fine. The uninstall and install were always very, very easy. And it's a great drawing tablet. I think it's great. But honestly, for me, the big selling factor is just the fact that you can just plug this thing into your phone and go. Because that's what I was able to do with my husband's phone. I was able to just plug it in, and it was instantly activated. The cool thing was how the pen itself said it was in like mouse mode. So like I didn't know phones could have a mouse mode. It was just a little neat thing I learned. You didn't have to download anything. The little pamphlet does give you information if it doesn't work, but you should just be able to plug that bitch in and be ready to go. So I used the app we downloaded was a free app off the App Store called Sketch, because obviously my husband doesn't have drawing programs on his phone, and I don't have drawing programs on my phone. But this also works with Android tablets too. So if you have an Android tablet over an Android phone, you can plug this in and work too. I really liked the app. It was just the first one we found that had a bunch of a good star rating on it. Again, not sponsored by the app, but I was amazed that, like, it had pressure sensitivity. I don't know if it's going to pick up well on my webcam thing. I couldn't exactly get a recording software for my husband's phone. I know some phones have a way to record their screens. We couldn't find one, so enjoy my webcam footage of that. But just, yeah, it worked. I know. I'm gushing here, but I'm honestly so amazed by it. The artwork could have been better, obviously, but I would need a lot more practice with the tablet and drawing on my phone. And personally, I wouldn't draw on my phone, but with this thing, if I had an Android tablet or an Android phone, especially like a bigger one, oh, you bet your booty I would do this all the time. I would use this to draw. I would use this to practice. I think it's amazing. And the fact that it's so compact and nice also really helps, especially if you're going on like long trips or something, or you're flying. This could totally go in a small backpack or bag, and even a car, and just go. Especially because the tablet doesn't need any power. You just have to plug it in. So if your phone or tablet has a decent charge, you could probably be drawing on it for, I'd say, at least an hour or two. Everyone's phone battery life is different. Same with tablets. That's why I'm giving a broad statement there. But yeah, this tablet totally gets my Michi recommendation of approval. Again, I'll have links in the description below. And I also found out from GaOMON that the rest of this month, I know the month is almost over, but for the rest of the month, they're doing a sale on all of their products. So totally pick this up. If you are a new artist and you're just trying to learn, it is extremely affordable. I get no money promoting this, by the way. They sponsor me by giving me the tablet, so clicking the links is not an affiliate link. I'm not going to get any money from it, but it does show GaOMON that, they can work with me more in the future, so I can work with you guys more in the future about it. And if I had a young artist in my life, or a newer artist, someone who wants to get into it, but they're really scared to take the leap and buy an $80 art program, you know, and then a $100 tablet. I think this is a great stepping stone. It gets people used to using a pad tablet. It gets people used to the pen. It gets used to the hand-eye coordination. This app, the Sketch app, also had layers, which I was really amazed by. Another thing, too, is the only reason, I know I'm like all over the place, but the only reason I knew about the zoom feature was because I had used my friend's iPad a couple of times, where I was able to, like, watch him do the whole, like, this is how you zoom, bloop, bloop. So that's the only reason I knew that. One thing, though, one little negative, and I don't think it's a big negative, it was a little annoying that I wasn't used to it. If I wanted to use the phone, like, to undo something or pick something, I had to completely have the pen away from the tablet. There's a couple times where you see I try to, like, multi-hand it, because that's what I'm used to as a digital artist. I'm used to, you know, okay, I'm drawing with one hand and I'm doing hotkeys with the other, and you just kind of get used to that. So that was a little bit of a weird thing for me to get used to, but I got used to it pretty quickly. So, yeah, alright, I'm gonna leave it here. Again, I'm amazed by this tablet. I totally recommend this tablet. I totally think this is a great gift for people who want to get used to it and learn things. So, I'm gushing and rambling here, but thank you again, GaomonS, for reaching out to me. I really hope you guys like this tablet. You know, if you do like it, or if you have another GaomonS tablet, let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, I will see you next time. Bye!